Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please click the subscribe and bell buttons to be notified when new videos are uploaded, and like, comment, and also share the videos with your friends and family. Harrison's Cave is located in the central parish of St. Thomas in the heart of Barbados, about 700 feet above sea level, not far from the southern end of Welshman Hall Gully, another place of interest. If you haven't watched that video before, you can do that after watching this one. Morning. Harrison's Cave is one of the Barbados Tourism Encyclopedia's 7 Wonders of Barbados. It is a limestone underground cavern that is about 1.2 miles long in the depths of the earth. It is one of the most popular attractions with locals and tourists alike, and is probably the most sought after sightseeing spot on the island. Often described as world-class with unmatched beauty and a must-see location. Harrison's Cave got its name from Thomas Harrison, who in the early 1700s owned the majority of the land in the area. In 1733, he established Harrison's College, which is one of the top secondary schools in Barbados. Good morning. All right. Thank you very much. Oh,
Doors closing. Going down.
Harrison's Cave is an active limestone cave because of the many streams flowing inside, which form waterfalls and deep, clear emerald pools that flow through the cavern, in addition to the stalactites and stalagmites that grow about an inch every year.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Early records indicate that the cave was first discovered in 1796. Several expeditions ventured into the cave during the 18th and 19th centuries, but because of difficulties in locating an easy access point to the cave, none got very far, leaving the cave unexplored until it was rediscovered in 1970 and mapped out by engineer Ole Sorensen from Denmark, who was assisted by Barbadians Anthony Mason and Alison Thornhill. In 1974, development work began on Harrison's Cave, which involved excavating shafts and tunnels to accommodate trams, improving the lighting, and diverting underground streams. The Barbados government later boosted the development work and promoted the site as a tourist attraction. Harrison's Cave was officially opened to the public in 1981. Good morning. This is the visitor center, which was designed to fit in with the natural limestone bedrock, providing a refreshment area, handicraft shops, and an exhibit of Amerindian artifacts that were excavated from various sites across the island.
You're going to count, you're going to start from right to left, and you're going to count 6 seats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you guys can start from the end?
From the end.
From the end and the end. So I'm setting you guys just in case anyone else might just join you, so you can just bring them in from you. Alright? Welcome everyone to Harrison's Cave Eco Adventure Park. As you know, my name is Jordan. I will be your tour guide, but because this is your tour and I'm your guide, I just don't use my government name. I always use my other name. So for today and today only, all of you get to call me Mr. John Wick. John Wick. You know what that means. So today we have 3 movies for you. The first option, Harrison's Gate. Movie Harrison's Gate, anyone?
Yeah.
No, one person. Okay, cool. Second option, Godzilla versus Kong. You know, a lot of action. Yes, no, okay. So last and final option, Fast and Furious 9. Maybe, but unfortunately, we only want this one. So we're going to be watching Harrison's Gate. So guys, the video is going to be 9 minutes long. I'm going to come to the door behind me, clapping, yay! And then from there, the student going to remain seated, and then I'm going to give you instructions on how we're going to board the tram, alright? Okay. Wonderful. So guys, please enjoy the video. Unfortunately, I don't have any popcorn, but that's not my fault.
Welcome to Barbados Tourism. In just a few minutes, you will be witnessing one of nature's most beautiful works of art. But first, let's go way back in time and see just how beautiful Barbados was born and how the miracle of caves came about. All the islands of the Windward and Leeward chain evolved as a result of volcanic activity. All that is, except one. The one that stands alone to the east of all the islands is our island, Barbados.
Excellent. So just remember our safety rules, guys. You are required to wear your mask at all times on our journey. There will be a point in time on our tour where we will stop and you will be allowed to disembark and take some photos. But remember, when you are boarding the tram again, you will need to sit in your exact same positions. But I'll give you that instruction when we get to that point. So other than that, guys, remember to keep your hands, your legs, and your head inside of the tram at all times. Some of the passageways do get quite narrow, and more importantly, guys, there is no touching of any of the formations inside the cave. If you do touch anything, you will owe the government you will owe the company a couple $1,000. So this let's not touch anything today. So our driver this morning, his name is Peter, so you can say hello, Peter. Yes, he will be responsible for getting us into and out of the cave safely. Before we go any lower, I just would like you guys to please look behind your seats and fasten those seatbelts. If you find your seatbelt, that's because there are no seatbelts. So I just have a little bit of fun with you. So we just entered our man-made or engineered tunnel. The name of this tunnel is the Voice Tunnel. Named after equipment operator Mr. Noah Voice, who was the first person on the excavation team to successfully break through the limestone bedrock, but by no means was it an easy task. At any point in time, the roof could have collapsed or ground current to have been, or he could have dug into a flooded room and be completely washed away. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and ladies, I want to personally welcome all of you to the heart of Barbados, Harrison's Cave. And we are now inside of the largest chamber within our cave system. We call it the Great Hall. Please remember, guys, there is no photography, video recording of any kind on our tour. I'm joking. I'm joking. Go ahead, guys. Someone will give me like the evil eye and I was like, alright, I'm joking, guys. Go ahead and take your photos. You can do some recording if you want to. So you would have seen these formations in the ceiling inside the video. These ones are the stalactites formed as the water drips from the ceiling, leaving behind a little bit of calcite every time. And the ones on the ground, those are the stalagmites. And over to your right, we have an open window. We will make a stop for you guys in the back, so do not worry. If you look inside that open window, you will see a small pool of crystal clear water. We test this water every 2 weeks, and every time we test it, it comes back 85 to 96% pure, clean, drinkable water. The reason for that, our limestone bedrock that covers about 80% of the island, this bedrock essentially acts as one giant filter, removing most of the impurities as the water slowly but surely makes its way down. And of course, on the island we have many uses for this water. We bathe with it, we cook with it, and of course we make the world's best. Begins with all ahead in the rum. Rum, guys. Rum. The world's best rum. So guys, I just want you to use your imaginations for me and tell me what you see when you look into this area. What will these formations look like? What will they remind you of? They look like?
Penises almost.
I see many people are laughing but no one is sharing. Anyone want to share a clear tube? You guys are not sharing with me. Everybody laughing but nobody is sharing, right? But I just want to thank you guys for keeping our tour PG. There are some children on board. But we actually call that area the village because the formations look like people huddled close together. We've heard other P names as well, and so these are the main ones. And below there is a stream. You will see where this water is coming from in just a few moments. And right here, these are just a few of the natural passageways within our cave system. And these are some of the passages our two explorers, the Barbadian Mr. Tony Mason and the Danish Mr. Oya Sorensen, would have used as they explored and mapped this marvelous cave. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now about to enter our second chamber on our journey. Please hold on to your helmets as we enter the Rotunda, or more simply, the Crystal Room. Behold, the dome ceiling is just about 50 feet high. This chamber itself would have been flooded with water in the past. Over to your right, you have the stream. And guys, if you were to follow the stream, it will not lead you to the surface. This water, let me explain what's happening. So as the water seeps through the soil, it will eventually make its way through the limestone. As it gradually goes through the limestone, it will cut the path, starting as a narrow passage, then widening, eventually creating a passage or stream. So guys, if you were to follow the stream, it will probably lead you to a higher end. I'm going to let you use your imagination for that one.